Hey everybody, it's JJ from Bright Idea Records, brightidearecords.com. I've been wanting to share this recipe for a while, but I just hadn't had the ingredients around, so now I think I will. You know, this is a little variation on the ZTA, which normally has the good old doing the do. Yeah, this one, it's not even an acronym. I call it the ZOT star. Catchy, right? It's like a rock star. Okay. No, literally, you put a can of rock star, you make it with the whoa instead of the Mountain Dew, and you know, just the usual other stuff. You know, I was thinking I might try a variation. I'll try and come up with a clever title if I go with the Coca-Cola brand energy drink as opposed to the ZOT star. Okay. Have a safe, have a safe time. Bye.